Hello and welcome to the latest V&T video. I want to show you a 13-year-old Kevin Owens, and then we're going to look at the modern day Kevin Owens. Here he is at the Nevada State Railroad Museum. They're giving him a little bit of a hard time here as an apprentice, like they always do for apprentices.
Don't use a 5-wrench, Kevin. That's a no-no. Kevin, are you doing anything? Would you like to do anything?
Sure.
I'll give you the engine oil out of here. Use this, and then you can fill this can. It's easier to fill this can out from out of the shed. You know which oil it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's yelling back here, don't lubricate some rod.
Now we're going to look at some drone footage for a couple minutes. If you want to skip to the meat of the video, skip to about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This video came from a DVD I did about 10 years ago back at the Nevada State Railroad Museum. Boy, that may have actually been 12 years ago now that I think about it. Anyways, they are showing Kevin how to work on steam locomotives, preparing him for the day that he will actually get to run one, which is what we're going to see, him going up a steep hill in Gold Hill.
Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love one. Darling, you can't love one. Oh, you can't love one and have any fun. Oh, darling, you can't love one. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Darling, you can't love two. Darling, you can't love two. Oh, you can't love two, and your little heart be true. Oh, darling, you can't love two. I'm riding on that Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. Carson City train. I'm riding on that Carson City train. The same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again. The same old train that brought me here. Stay live!
I just want to take a minute or less to explain what's going on here. We're approaching Gold Hill with Kevin at the throttle. The guy that you see in the middle, his name is Chris Rizzoli. He provided the throttle cam footage that you're looking at here. And Chris, he's the guy who runs Rizzoli Locomotive Works, who designed the whistle on the 29 and many other whistles for the V&T. So you can see that these guys have a very special pride in blowing this whistle. Just to explain, Kevin is going to run around the corner in Gold Hill. We're going to have him cross the intersection of Highway 342, and then they're going to run up the next fairly steep section of track. And you'll see him, you'll just figure out what it really takes to run this train up the hill. It's not as easy as you might think. This is definitely a physical job. At the very end, Kevin says how much fun he had, and I had to cut that audio out. if you know what I mean. Anyways, let's get back to the action here. Enough of me talking. Like I said, I just didn't want to talk over the sound of the locomotive, which I know would make every rail fan watching this video very mad at me. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to updates by hitting the bell.
I'm riding on that Carson City train, the same old train that brought me here, gonna carry me home again.